If you're wondering how to connect Housecall Pro to Go High Level, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick explanation of Housecall Pro and show you exactly how to link it with Go High Level so you can streamline your business operations and save time. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share how you can try this integration out for free with some exclusive bonuses. Housecall Pro is a top-rated software tool used by service-based businesses, helping professionals manage appointments, dispatch teams, process payments, and track customer interactions. It's designed for home service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, and cleaning services. It's an all-in-one platform that simplifies field service management, making it easier for small businesses to run smoothly and efficiently. Now, when it comes to connecting Housecall Pro to Go High Level, this integration can supercharge your marketing efforts by syncing your customer data seamlessly. Go High Level, on the other hand, is a comprehensive CRM and automation tool that helps businesses manage leads, run email campaigns, and automate workflows. If you're using Housecall Pro for your service management and Go High Level for your marketing, bringing the two together is a no-brainer. So, how do you connect these two platforms? First, you'll need to grab an API key from your Housecall Pro account. Here's how you do that. Log into your Housecall Pro dashboard and navigate to the settings. In the settings section, find the API option and generate your API key. Make sure to copy it because you'll need it in a second. Next, head over to your Go High Level account. In the Go High Level dashboard, go to the settings and then click on Integrations. You should see an option to connect Housecall Pro. Paste that API key you copied earlier into the corresponding field and hit Connect. That's it. You've just linked Housecall Pro to Go High Level. By doing this, you're enabling your customer data from Housecall Pro to flow into Go High Level, allowing you to trigger automated workflows and build powerful marketing campaigns based on your service history. You can set up automated follow-up emails, SMS reminders, and even referral campaigns directly from Go High Level. Now, here's why you should stick around. This integration isn't just about syncing your data, it's about leveraging that data to grow your business. For example, you could use Go High Level to create post-service follow-up sequences that automatically send satisfaction surveys or offer discounts for repeat customers. The possibilities for automation and marketing are endless when you connect these two powerful tools. Before we wrap up, here's something special. You can actually try both Housecall Pro and Go High Level completely free with the exclusive offer I've linked below. And it's not just a basic trial. You get access to extra bonuses that'll help you hit the ground running. Just click the link in the description to claim your extended free trial. So, to recap, connecting Housecall Pro to Go High Level is a straightforward process that opens up endless opportunities for automation and growth. Whether you're managing your service appointments or running marketing campaigns, this integration helps you make the most out of both platforms. Don't forget to grab your exclusive bonus by using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.